going to work. Kahit Pasko papasok, char. Ayan guys. Ang dumi ng kotse kasi it's towing out, so my car is real dirty. So I have to do this car wash every other day. And this is really nice. And siya, car wash. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. How are you guys? Connect. Ay, connect. Ayan, hello. So, we're here going to work. Connect, ano. Ayan, more car wash tayo. I think this is only 10 minutes. I don't know. So we'll time it out. It's 2 minutes now for that car wash. And I love this. This is very satisfying for me. There you go. Hello, BC Moms TV. Hello. May jacket ka na. Ayan. Car wash tayo, sis. Ay. Teka lang. Tamsak. Salamat sa patamsak dyan. Ayan, salamat. Thank you sa pagtamsak. Char, andito tayo sa car wash. Ayan. Ay, bakit ito napipindot ko? Sandali. Ciao, Caro. Scott's Gaming Channel. Hello, Scott's Gaming Channel. Thank you. Where are you from? ¿Cómo está? Muy bien. Ay, ba? No, yan. Muy bien, amigo. Ayan. Ciao, Caro. ¿Cómo está? Muy bien, amigo. Ayan, car wash. Sarap. Scott Gaming Channel. Don't forget to connect to Jelana in USA. Please connect to Jelana in USA. Sarap naman yan. Linis ng kotse na. Yeah, car is clean. Ayan. There you go. Okay. Oh my goodness, it got stuck again. Oh, okay, I thought it got stuck. Now we're drying my car. I thought it got stuck.